Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the new feature updates in BoldDesk ticketing software. The BoldDesk has come up with a lot of new features, changes, and improvements for the following modules: integrations, reports and analytics, ticketing system, knowledge base, and admin and configuration. We will look at each of them based on the categorization of modules. First, let's see the new feature, Drive Integration, in the Integrations module. The supported file drives are Google Drive and Dropbox. These drives can be found in the Marketplace section under the Admin module. Users can browse and attach large files from drives using Google Drive and Dropbox options during ticket creation or update. These options are only available to agents if integration is enabled in the Marketplace module. Under the Reports and Analytics module, the agent or group performance dashboard has been included. This dashboard helps analyze the performance of a support agent or group. Also, in the Worklog report, an option has been added to export Worklog report data to Excel. Users can export a total of 1,000 records. Let's now see the updates or new features in the ticketing system. First, let's look at the bulk update feature in the tickets listing page. This feature allows you to select up to 50 tickets and update the selected ticket fields. Using this feature, you can add mass replies or notes to the tickets. The next feature is viewing the original email message for messages updated via email. When a ticket is updated via email, only the most recently updated email is parsed and displayed in the ticket details page. The related email content can be viewed now using the View Original Email option in the message updated via email. In addition, we have provided an indication of the email delivery failure. If an email is not delivered to any of the recipients, a failed delivery icon will be shown in the specific message. Click on the icon to see undelivered emails. Then, on the ticket details page, under the Messages section, the Convert to an Article option allows you to quickly convert any ticket message to a knowledge base article. Next is an option to filter ticket views on ticket listing page. Using this filter option, you can filter the required list of ticket views. We have also improved the productivity of the user search dropdown. This option enables you to search specifically for an agent and a customer, and helps improve productivity. When you use the prefix @ you search the agent list, whereas when you use the prefix hashtag, you search the customer list. The search will look for both the agent and the customer if no prefix is used. We move on to the time log related fields included in the Export Tickets option. When exporting tickets, you can now include time log related fields such as total hours logged and total billable hours logged. This next feature is configuring the default message preference. With this filter feature, you can select which message to display by default in the ticket details page from the agent portal settings under the admin module. There are options for configuring the organization's or personal settings levels. Configured settings will be reflected in the message section of the ticket details page. Next, let's look at the updates in the knowledge base module. We now have an option to restore previous versions of the KB articles in the Knowledge Base module. On the Article Details page, under the Revisions tab, you will find a list of previous versions of the article. Click on More options for the version to be restored and select the Restore option. Finally, let's see the improvements made in the Administration and Configuration module. Both Contact Us and Help widget under the Channels section in the Admin module now have an option to automatically tag tickets created with the widget when a tag is added to the widget settings. When a ticket is created using a widget, a specific tag is added to the ticket. Automations and auto-assignments can be configured using this option. In this video, we covered the new features and enhancements made to the BoldDesk software. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.